Okay, we're recording, I think, here, and I'm holding the camera, of course, here, and we're looking at two lanterns. Believe me, there's more light in here than what meets the eye. Let me get this on. That's a spare light here. Maybe that'll shed a little more light on the subject. But can you tell which of these lanterns is brighter? Doesn't this one look brighter? It does in the camera anyway. Even in just looking at it without the camera, it looks brighter. But let's see what's going on with these cameras, with these lamps here, rather. I can tell I'm going to have some outtakes all over the place. We'll turn them off. This is a red one. It's going to be rough because I'm trying to undo the back. This is before I ever get a setup to do this. Let's see here. Let's see. Well, I still got to hold the camera, so well, this is not going to work here, is it? Okay, this one has 3 batteries in it. 3 AA batteries. One, 2, and 3. So that's 4.5 volts. This one that was the brightest now, this one, what's it got? Well, what do you know? There's only 1 battery in there. Is this a trick or something? No, it still works. There's a dim setting on here, like for a night light. This will burn all night long and hardly uses any juice out of the battery. This is on, and this is just one battery in here, huh? I'm holding it under the light. Let me pull this battery out. Oh, there it goes. And there's only really 1 spring in there for the negative. If you can see that. Let me see. I'll put that back in. The negative there. Positive. Whoops. Wait a minute. That's not going to cooperate with me at all, is it? One there. You can see it come on. Yeah, look at that, huh? Here's the low setting. There's the high setting. Now on the low setting, it's going to be a little different here. This is the low. Goes high, low. Now on this, I think you'll see, let's see if I get the buttons right, then there'll be an LED facing us here. You can see that on the low setting, the one with the 3 batteries is actually brighter than the one with just the 1 battery. Here the red one has 3. So there's a reason for that, and we'll get into this. What we've done here, and look at this, if we go back to the bright setting, woo! The camera is compensating for the extra burst of light here. There's no comparison here, but we can go to bright here, bingo, and we see that our 1 battery lamp is still brighter. How about that?